One thing we noticed right after we signed up for our Wix account and started creating a website was that we got regular emails from Wix offering us 50% off our upgrade. The offer was for a limited time only and then expired after 3 days. But we kept getting this offer into our inbox every 8 days, so my tip for you is to wait for one of these offers to land in your inbox before you upgrade. Why not save 50% of the price of what could be hundreds of dollars for the year or 2 years, etc., depending on what plan you get, and invest that into your exciting new product or business venture to help you grow even faster and take off with your new website. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button. It really helps us a lot. If you have any Wix website tips of your own or have any questions about the video, please feel free to add them in the comment section below. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.